This work flows from one overarching and central question. Is your loved one using right now, in this present moment, or are they not using? How you answer that question determines what you say and how you act. What you say and how you say it is covered in Module 4, How Do I Talk to My Loved One? How you act is covered in Modules 5 and 6. My loved one isn't using right now, now what? And my loved one is using right now, now what? We also want your loved one to get help. Getting help is the single most important thing you can do to stop the addiction process. We cover this in Module 8, How to Get My Loved One into Treatment. There are 2 more things you must know. The first, it's critical that you stay safe. This is covered in Module 2, How Do I Stay Safe? The second is you'll also want to take care of yourself. This is covered in Module 7, How Do I Care for Myself When Negative Feelings Get in the Way? These 2 items are so important that in addition to devoting an entire module to them, I also make comments on these throughout the other modules. Across the top of the page, you'll see a pull-down menu called Supplement. Here you'll find the very best links we've identified to help you jumpstart your self-care. Strong emotions stop you from thinking clearly. Negative emotions are to be expected when you love someone who struggles with addiction. We need you calm and centered to do this work. Getting there is at the heart of self-care. There is no set order to how you should view things, but whatever you do, please view the safety module first. Safety is key, both safety for yourself, other family members, and your loved one. We've gone to great lengths to make this website clear and straightforward. The hope is that you see quickly how the pieces fit together, how improving your communication sets the stage for calming things down, how behaving differently sends signals that things have shifted. You're no longer going to prop anything up. There's a rhythm to the work. Step in when there isn't use, step away when you see use. There are dozens of small things you can do that improve your connection with your loved one and set the stage for talking about getting help. And there are windows of opportunity when you should talk about treatment and other times when it is pointless to do so. This isn't tough love or simply detaching from your loved one. You can't control substance use, but you can control how you react to it. You can control some of the conditions that exist when you're involved and line things up towards stopping the use. With Allies in Recovery, you're not alone. Together, we can move your loved one towards recovery.